Hey guys, so after releasing the Doogee S61 series and the Doogee S51, it seems Doogee is preparing to release another budget device, which would be called the Doogee S41. So this device appeared on AliExpress and its specs has not been revealed yet. But since this device has appeared here, it's only a matter of time before Doogee officially announce and officially release the phone. Just so you know, I also leaked the Doogee S96 GT way before Doogee officially announced the device. So if you're interested in getting the latest tech updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. And make sure to give this video a like as well. So the Doogee S41 has a really nice design. Now while the specs of the phone aren't released yet, this image here of the phone reveals some key details that I'll share with you guys. So at the rear, it is confirmed that the phone would have triple cameras and there's a flash right below the cameras. On the front, as you can see, the phone will have a 16:9 aspect ratio display. The phone has rugged design, corners covered with rubber. The frame also appears to be rubber, not metal, like we see on many mid-range rugged phones. For now, these are the only details that I was able to gather. Like I mentioned earlier, the specs of this device is still not known yet. I'm expecting this device to be released in a few weeks from now, so we just have to wait for Doogee to officially confirm this device, and then we'll get to know the full details of the phone. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. Also, make sure to give this video a like. You could also share your opinions about this upcoming phone from Doogee in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.